Look at the pig.
Yeah, come on guys, try to sample. What do you think? They got all the trophies.
They give you way more.
With some either beans or coleslaw or cornbread.
Are you excited
Beans with some coleslaw.
for the ribs? Say something.
Ribs.
Oh, we're in the lineup for some ribs.
You're gonna have to put a face in your glasses at this point.
No.
Well, how's it looking?
This will sound really cool. Spell.
Audio over it. Rib challenge.
Chili's not bad.
They like freeze it, and then it goes like.
Yeah, I've had so many of those things, I just had to rip them off the bone.
Yeah, he literally won. God damn it.
These two don't work. They don't work.
Well, turns out I lost an eating competition. That never happens. Anyway, there's these like little bits here that are impossible to eat. So if you see little bits of those on our ribs, those don't count. They literally won't. They won't come off.
Now the sea.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Rituals.
Try some cornbread.
Not bad.
Hope everybody's enjoying the music so far on this happy.
Rib.
Did you
There
like
you
them?
go. Who's gonna go jump through hoops?
I will.
Well, there's like a rib vote. These people aren't getting my vote. There are like these weird things that were like stuck to the bone, which completely slowed both of us down. I still managed to lose though. Anyways, don't get their ribs. Those weird little bits. Because it wasn't cooked long enough. They were like complete red spots. You gotta sing the farmer's market song.
We're going to the market. Kelowna's farmer's market. We're going to the market. I'm gonna have some fun.
Be a really cool thumbnail for a video. You just right beside the Twin Towers.
No.
Yeah.
One would be you might fly a plane. Take a photo when I'm at the
Yeah, I'll just edit a plane. Anyways. Okay, what is the Japanese store selling like alcohol? Sasuke. What is it called? The like Japanese alcohol that they used to drink in the old days.
Probably like
Sake? I don't remember. Sake, salmon, alcohol. From the Japanese people. No, because half of them just didn't want to come down here. There's literally almost nothing I'd buy from here. If they have something really cool, I'd consider it. But is that like a one-eyed octopus? That would be the only thing that I'd actually buy from here. My money's in the car. I'm not gonna buy it. Turn off the lights. It has 2 eyes. I don't want it anymore. Grandma disappeared. Found Grandma again. That's right.